In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in Canva, the easy way. We'll keep it simple and fast by using Canva's built-in templates so you can get a clean, professional checklist without starting from scratch. Start at the main dashboard of Canva. This is the home screen you see right after you sign in. From here, look to the left-hand side panel and click on Templates. This section is where Canva keeps ready-made designs for almost anything, and it's the quickest route to a polished checklist. Once you're in Templates, use the search bar at the top and type the word checklist. Press Enter, and you'll see a wide range of options appear. You'll find styles for daily to-dos, project planning, packing lists, classroom checklists, and more. Take a moment to browse. You can glance at the previews to get a feel for the layout and aesthetic. If you notice templates with a small crown icon, those are part of the Pro collection. You can choose a free design if that's what you need. Pick a template that fits the purpose and tone of your list. Minimal for work, playful for home or school, or something bold for visibility. Click the template you want, then select Customize this template. This opens the design in the Canva editor, where you can make it your own. Begin by updating the title at the top to clearly describe your checklist, like Weekly Tasks or Event Prep. Click directly on any text to edit it. Replace placeholder items with your actual tasks, keeping each line short and action-oriented for clarity. If you want to adjust the look, use the toolbar at the top to change fonts, sizes, and colors. Consistent typography helps your checklist feel organized, so try to stick to 2 or 3 font sizes. To add or remove items, simply duplicate or delete text lines and checkboxes. You can drag elements to reorder them and use the alignment guides that appear to keep everything neatly lined up. Feel free to personalize further. On the left panel, Elements lets you find simple checkbox icons or dividers. You can switch background colors or add a subtle shape to group sections. If you have brand colors, apply them to headings and checkboxes for a cohesive feel. As you refine symbols, zoom out to see the overall balance and ensure the text is easy to read. That's it. By starting from the Templates section, searching for Checklist, choosing a design, clicking. Customize this template, and editing the content to fit your needs, you'll have a polished checklist ready in minutes.